Did you know that all of the Corvettes in the world are made in one single place, and that's here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, where they also have the National Corvette Museum. So a nice little road trip stop if you're traveling on 65. So that's where we're heading now.
Two brothers from St. Louis opened the first gas station. I didn't know that.
I will say, if I ever get a Corvette, it's going to be in yellow. So in 2014, a sinkhole underneath the museum caused these cars, 8 different Corvettes, just to fall in. There's 8 different Corvettes to fall in the caves underground. Absolutely crazy. So right behind me are some of the cars that didn't make it out of the sinkhole so easily. Some of the damage that you can see that was done from the cars that literally fell into the cave from the museum.
This car right here was the 1 millionth car that went into the sinkhole, and they were able to refinish it, redo everything. We brought it back out looking better than ever.
Really cool experience. So if you're interested in visiting the National Corvette Museum, Bowling Green, Kentucky, it is $18 a person. We got there a little quick, only took us maybe a half an hour, so maybe a little pricey for that, but we're also not car people to really kind of dive into some of the deeper exhibits. But yeah, definitely worth seeing. Some really cool cars in there. Guys, remember, as always, please subscribe to our channel. Helps us make more videos. If you want to see more travel content, we're traveling all across this country this year. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and comment on this video if you liked it. Thanks.